Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through New Kingston. We are on Trafalgar Road, and today we are going to give you an update on the bus system in Jamaica. Now the government has announced that it plans to buy 300 new buses for Jamaica. The first 100 should arrive by September of this year. I'm not sure why these bus orders take so long, but that just seems to be how it is in that market. But the government is trying to get 100 new buses by September this year. Now, that's very important because the JUTC, which is the Jamaican Urban Transit Corporation, they are in charge of the bus service, the public government bus service in Jamaica. And they are in need of buses. Now, the JUTC serves Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town. And they say they need 400 buses to operate properly or efficiently. And I think the last time they were at 200 buses. They sometimes get up to 250, 300, but because some of the buses are old, they sometimes break down. So what you find is because those JUTC doesn't have the number of buses to efficiently operate in these areas, you have people waiting a very long time to get the bus. So the government is trying to get more buses. They got in buses last year and it made a huge difference, especially for in time for back to school. So they are trying to get more buses, or they are ordering 300 more, and the first 100 should arrive by September. Now it's January of this year, so that's going to be quite a wait, but they are on their way, and these buses are very expensive. I'm assuming that's why they didn't just bring in 300 one time. It's probably the cost. But they're needed because to move around within Kingston, if you don't have a car, you have to use a taxi or a bus. And the bus service it's used in Jamaica. Sometimes people have to wait an hour. I've heard stories of up to 2 hours on a bus. And then you can imagine you wait 1 hour on a bus and the bus comes, everybody's going to be rushing into the bus because they don't want to wait another hour on another bus. So it's definitely good news. It's unfortunate that it's going to take so long, but they're working on it. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about the bus service and the additional 100 buses that are coming. Now, the buses are expensive, but they should bring in 200 buses by September or as soon as possible. Get to the 400 and let the system work properly. And then you can expand from there, because JUTC wants to operate a service to Mandeville because there is a highway that was built. They're going to go to Yalos because of the highway. So there's a lot of new routes that the JUTC can operate, and I think they should have an island-wide service. You should be able to get a bus from Kingston to Ocho Rios, Kingston to St. Elizabeth, or Kingston to Black River. I think eventually one day they should have an island-wide service. And even if the government subsidizes, I think they do subsidize the JUTC as of today. I think so. I'm not 100% sure. But subsidize meaning the JUTC runs at a loss, but the government gives them money to cover the loss so that the buses can keep operating. But I really think they need an island-wide service. But before they can get to the island-wide service, they need to be able to service Kingston, Portmore, Spanish Town. Which is the part of Jamaica that has the largest population? Between Kingston, Portmore, and Spanish Town, you probably have 2/3 of the Jamaican population. So definitely is they have to start there and then expand from there. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.